You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this fictional character from the Naruto manga series in anime. We'll be looking at how to say more names from Naruto as well, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning about correct pronunciations of those. Itachi. Itachi is how it is said in Japanese. Itachi. And now you know more videos here on how to pronounce more names from Naruto that many get wrong, including how to say Naruto properly. I'll see you there to learn more. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it, at least it helps. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.